Hi everyone! In this video, I'll talk about the main concept of the Classwise web application to help you navigate and use its main features more quickly in your daily work. Once you have created an account and logged into the app, this is the main screen you will see. Let's start with an overview of the key elements of the user interface. On the left, you can see the main navigation menu. Hover over the menu icons to see shortcuts to the key sections of the Classwise system. The library of lesson projects made available to you. My resources with all your projects. The Students section where you can manage your students and monitor their results. Settings for your account. To return to the home page, click on the first home icon in the left menu or click on the Classwise logo at the top. In the top right section of the page, you can see the following buttons. A blue Create Project button to create new projects. A grey Devices panel button to manage your classroom and students' devices. Last in the row is an icon representing your profile. By clicking your profile icon, you bring up additional options such as user interface language change. We will discuss the functionality of the first two buttons in detail in separate video tutorials. In the central part of the screen, we can see two sections. The first one is a collection of video tutorials just like the one you are now watching. And below is the Discover section with all the recommended projects you may want to use in your classes based on your preferences. Click the Show All button to go to the library, where you will find more lessons similar to those recommended in this section. Let's explore the library. First, I will explain how we organized the resources available in our database. We do not want to restrict teachers by imposing specific working methods. We believe everyone has their own style and should only be given flexible tools to use according to their needs. Our resources are labeled with at least one of the 4 teaching stages in a lesson. You can use interactive presentations to introduce or summarize new material. The ready-to-play educational games are intended to bring fun and excitement to your classes while supporting the memorization process. Quizzes and tests allow teachers to test students' knowledge quickly. Their results are displayed immediately after the tests. Lesson plans might be universal and can be used at several lesson stages. The same project may include a simple presentation, a game to help memorize new information, or test questions to revise and check how much your students have remembered. The tiles in the library have been designed to make it easy to see, at a glance, whether a particular project is what you are looking for. The left-hand side shows the school subject and a title of the class to which the project relates. Below are 4 icons of stages, which are visual representations of each lesson stage. The white bottom bar shows the dedicated age group in the specified education system. Above the library tiles with content, you can find a search bar and filters. By default, you can filter resources by subject or lesson stage. Additional filters help to narrow down the search criteria to a particular education system. Age group, language, or author. If you know what you're looking for, you can use the search bar and type in relevant keywords. Hover over a resource tile for a more detailed description of the project contents. Clicking on the selected project takes you to this detailed view. You can start the project from here by clicking on the blue Run button. If you choose to create your own lesson, all your projects will be found in My Resources section. You can create projects for your own use and keep them in your account as drafts, or publish them for the use of the whole Classwise teachers community around the world. In the Students section, you can create a list of classes and children with whom you continue to work on a permanent basis. Through games and quizzes, Classwise collects students' answers to later analyze them and provide you with the students' progress. I will talk about it in more detail in the following videos. Thank you for your time. See you again soon.